Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a review on HYPERISE. Now HYPERISE is for you if you need help getting clicks on your links or finding or creating personalized images and videos, or if you find creating personalized images and videos too time consuming, and we know that these things can hinder marketing efforts and limit your reach. So HYPERISE could be your answer. This review will help you decide if it is the right tool to elevate your marketing game. So let's look at it here. This is HYPERISE. Now what it does is add the personal touch to your marketing. It helps personal touch to your marketing by helping you customize your website, emails, and ads for each viewer. This is it. And then including their name in an image or creating personalized video. So you include your name, personalized video with dynamic personalization layers. So HYPERISE actually is a marketing automation software that makes it easy and even help you in personalizing videos. It's a way of making your marketing more friendly and relevant, which helps you to boost engagement. What are the top benefits of HYPERISE? 1. Boost conversions actually. Helps you to create marketing campaigns that feel personal, not generic. Imagine emails that address recipients by name or ads featuring their company logo. This personalized touch can significantly boost click-through rates and ultimately lead to more sales. Then, personalized videos. Personalized video greetings is far more engaging than a plain text email. HYPERISE makes it easy to create these videos at scale, even if you have thousands of leads. Imagine the impact of a video that says, Hi Kitty, welcome to our team. It definitely captures your attention and stands out. So it also helps you to tailor your onboarding. First impressions matter, so you can craft a customized onboarding experience for new customers using HYPERISE, including their name, company, and even their interest in the welcome message and tutorials. We also have dynamic images. They need to be photoshopped with. HYPERISE lets you easily process images to include personalized elements like names, company logos, or even product recommendation based on user data. Also has website personalization, so you can greet web visitors by name the moment they land on your site. HYPERISE lets you dynamically change headlines, images, and calls to action based on who is viewing your landing pages, making them feel seen and understood. Also, a data-driven decision. It helps you to make data-driven decisions. HYPERISE integrates with your existing tools to collect valid data, help you see which personalized elements are driving the most engagement, allowing you to refine your marketing strategy and get better results. We also have scalable solution. Whether you're a small scale startup or a large enterprise, it is ready to grow with you. Integration. You can connect HYPERISE with your favorite marketing platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zapier to streamline your workflow. These are the marketing tools. You can see integration by clicking on this. It is easy to use and it helps to empower you to better market your product or services. So those are the best features. So other products, we have image personalization. These are the features actually. Image personalization, video personalization, website personalization, channels, and integration. Let's look at the pricing. So for images, it's $9 for you to help to create personalized images to use in your outreach. So it's $9 per seat monthly. You have access to all this. It's a website. That's this images plus website. Paying like $9 per seat monthly, where you help to personalize your outreach images and your existing websites or things you enjoy under it. And lastly, videos. So we want to use the images, the website, and the videos. You can create personalized and interactive videos plus images and website personalization. You pay $149 per seat monthly. So the thing change under it. So you can also add it to inclusive view, add Steve templates and websites. So let's do a free trial. Now the pros and cons of it is that it's easy for the pro, easy to use, personalize almost everything, increase clicks and sales, and works to your favorite tools. And it also plans for businesses of all sizes. Under the cons, it takes time to master. It can be pricey, and more options would be great. So if HYPERISE is not for you, the other feats you have are nifty images, lame lists, pick snippets, personalized with a YZE, and internalize. Yes, internalize. So let's look at it. Let's register. You put in your name, email address, password, confirm, and click on accept and click on register. It's as simple as that. And you get full access to all HYPERISE features like image personalization, website personalization, video personalization, personalized short links, and hundreds of integration. These are people that have to talk about it. Alright, let's register. And click on register. So registering. So it's already help for you here by clicking here. You can see hi Kitty already. So this is the dashboard. And then for images you click images here. For video you click this one. Then for websites and your data. So don't forget you're going to have to verify your email, and then it will be just fully login. Just simple as that. Now, what are my personal thoughts on it? I think HYPERISE is a powerful tool that can transform your marketing with personalized images, videos, and websites. I think it's great for boosting engagement and standing out. However, it does have a learning curve and can be pricey. So consider your needs and budget before diving in. But if you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, give it a try. HYPERISE could be the key to unlocking better results and happier customers. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.